Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Welcome back. So, 2021 been a shit show. Makeshift is back, baby. We got all the La Z boys signed up for Death of Winter in March. Unfortunately, that means I got a lot of work to do. I have exactly 4 weekends to pull out this old motor, which, unfortunately, I killed the piston rings. I ended up buying a built motor from a good friend of mine, and I'm turboing it. So I have 4 weekends to swap it, turbo it, and dyno tune it. Let's see if we get it done. Zoo, what do you think? We can do it?
I don't know, man. I think you're going to be walking on the track.
Shit.
Track walk.
I don't want that. I need a battle for the belt, and I need to take it from Kevin Vu. He's had it for 2 years now, and he's been talking hella shit. It's about time to get this shit done.
Yeah. One of us has to take it away.
One of us gotta take it away. You're good. You're ready. All right, you gonna help me get this thing going?
Yeah, let's get started.
We started at 4:30. We took, 40-minute break for dinner. But engine's unhooked. Front core support and everything is gone. Me and Zoo are about to roll this car out and then hopefully pull that engine out. Wish us luck. Yeah, it's safe. You're good. Can't move the truck, so look how close it is. 3-finger gap. I don't know, maybe we should go closer. Should be enough room.
Probably good enough.
It's good enough. Clear the subframe. Yeah, you gotta go more up for sure. Ooh, what was that? I think drive shaft or stuff, but it's out. Alright.
Support it as I'm going up over our
Where is
wire
it?
loom.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so much easier.
Yeah. Oh my god, Neil is the bomb. Pro tip, listen to Neil.
Yeah.
He knows everything. But he does.
Looks like we're over the wire.
Alright y'all, it's time for an update. Got the whole motor buttoned up, ready to drop in. I'm gonna do a final once over and we're gonna get this party started. So to touch on the timeline, my plan was first weekend have the motor out, second weekend button it up, third weekend drop motor in, fourth weekend get it running, next weekend dyno day. I'm a little bit behind schedule, but you know how makeshift does, so you just gotta find a way to make it work. I got all day today and tomorrow. Get this piece of shit running. I think we can do it. I never really went over a build on my motor, so I can touch on some of the parts I had before with also some of the turbo stuff I just got. Let's see. Upgraded GK Tech clutch fan. I got the built motor with BC 264 cams, Weisco Pistons, Eagle rods, ARP hardware. For the turbo, got my oil pan welded with a bung for oil return. I got coolant feed, coolant return, Russell stainless lines. I'm using a T25, the OEM Garrett turbo off of S13 SR. ISR V2 manifold, ceramic coated and heat wrapped. Got stage 8 hardware. Better not be backing out. I've heard the horror stories. Got Megan turbo elbow, also ceramic coated and wrapped. I'll be running a Megan 3-inch downpipe with the flex section. Did my research. And I got ISR 3-inch blast pipes. Let's see. Doing STI 550cc injectors. I'll have a thermostatic oil sandwich plate running to an oil cooler. I got the 5-speed tranny with Centerforce clutch, lightweight flywheel, ISR V2, V3, I don't remember, short shifter, and I'll be running a Mazworx one-piece steel drive shaft. I'm hoping this shit is saucy. Need to take the belt away from the boys. It's been too long. It's in.
You ready?
Go for it. Holy shit! It worked!
Good?
Ready?
Yeah. That sounds better. A lot better.
That's way better. It's way better. Way better.
Turbo.